emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashtabula County until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 7 miles south of Geneva and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Ashtabula, North Kingsville, Conneaut. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula County, Ohio.
The forecast for Cleveland is